What's up everyone? Jason and Emily here today, and we are doing a video on the three-piece window covers, zippered window covers for the Storyteller Overland modes. There's been a little bit of revision on a couple of them, so we're going to make a brand new video on that today. And the first one that we're going to work on is the driver's side window next to the groove lounge. So the first thing that Emily's going to do is start laying down the Velcro that's included, and she starts at this corner and she holds it back, I don't know, quarter to a half inch away from the front edge, and then just keep that line nice and straight and pushing down. And Emily is going to take this Velcro and run it all along the edge on the bottom, the sides, the top, and the other side. And what she's going to do is she's going to take these screws out, and then she'll run her Velcro over those holes and then put those screws right back in the same holes. On the top, we're going to add 5 screws. So we're going to add one in the corner, and we're going to add another one here, one in the middle, and then the other 2 there. And then that way it keeps the Velcro from falling down. And then again, she'll run the Velcro on this side, taking out those 2 screws. So the first thing she'll do is get the Velcro all set in place, and then she'll also screw in the bottom. When she's done as well, she'll come back with the provided self-tapping screws and screw in the bottom Velcro as well. So after you finish that up, you can see we got screw here, there, in the middle, another one there, another one in the corner, 2 on the sides, 5 up top, and then 2 more on this side. Okay, and you've made sure you push the Velcro down really good, and it's all adhered to the fabric. And then the next step is you will put your window cover up. And you start in one corner and just start lining it up. Perfect. And then when you get to the corners, you'll end up folding the corners a little bit. You'll get one side Velcroed, and then you'll just kind of fold it over, just like that. Beautiful. Just go back and make sure it's adhered to the Velcro, and that is how you install the driver's side main window over the groove lounge. Alright, we're going to show you how to install the window covers, the zippered window covers, on the slider door in your Storyteller Overland mode. So the first thing you want to do is, the window covers have Velcro supplied already on them, so you're going to take this Velcro off and you're going to put it on the top, you're going to put it on the bottom, and you're going to put it on the sides. Okay, but the first thing you want to do is look at this. See how dirty this is? So you got to make sure that you take your alcohol prep pad and clean that off really nice before you start applying the Velcro. So Emily is going to take the Velcro and apply it along the top, sides, the bottom, and this side. And then when she's done with that, we'll start putting the window cover up by using these screws to screw them on. So on this one, we're going to use pretty much every screw on the top. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Same thing on the bottom. The bottom is going to be a little harder because you're contending with the galley, but we're going to go 1, 2, 3, and 4 on the bottom. And then the sides, we're going to go with 3 of them. And that's going to be this one in the corner, this one in the middle, and this one, and same thing on the other side. So we'll get back to you on that, but first she's going to prep and get the Velcro put on the window. All right, Emily just finished up putting all the Velcro along the top edge, the side edge, both sides, and then also the bottom down here. And then she pre-fitted the window covers. So you kind of pre-fit them and make sure that they're exactly where you want them before you start screwing them in. So as you can see, it's nice and clean, all lined up along the bottom and the edge. And then now the next step would be take this first screw out, and then you're gonna line it back up and then screw it back into the same hole, okay? And then you can just fill for where that original hole was. And boom, screw right back in. And then you'll just continue that every other screw. So there's another screw right here. So don't do that one. And then go this one, and then skip this one, and then go to this one, and then skip this one, and then go to that one. You can screw them all in if you want to. There's just no need. I have them up on my van, and I did every other one, and that's holding up really nice. So I would continue just to go every other one, but you're more than welcome to screw every single one if you would like. And then that's it. Just so Emily's just going to work her way, kind of peel this off, pull that screw out, line that hole up, and put it back in, and continue all the way around until this is finished. All right, also after you install and screw in your window covers, we're gonna supply you with this little finishing Velcro strap. And what you're gonna do is you're gonna lift up one of your little flaps, put it on the Velcro, and then close that flap up. And then now you're gonna take that Velcro and you're gonna strap it, and you're gonna pull it tight as you're strapping it along the bottom of the window. Yep. And just put a lot of tension on there because you don't want it loose, you don't want it saggy. And you're gonna take that strap, just like Emily's doing, and she's pulling on it, adding tension.
I'm sorry.
That's okay. And see that? It's just a nice clean finish. And what this is gonna do is this is gonna eliminate any chances of the flat pieces coming up from extreme heat or extreme cold weather climates. So you just Velcro that right back on, but see how clean that is now? Just a nice clean finish, and that'll eliminate any type of peeling. So now you have the screws in place, and then you add that, and it'll assure you that your window cover will stay up in all climate conditions. Okay, so the next step, we're gonna work on the window above the bed. And this is on the driver's side, of course. And the first thing that we're gonna do is we're gonna add Velcro. So your window cover comes with Velcro. So you wanna clean off this top edge up here with some alcohol swabs that we provide you. So you'll clean that little edge all the way around the bottom and that side. So it's really important that you get that clean because there's a lot of dust on there, and the Velcro will not adhere properly if it's dirty. So make sure you take the time and clean that. Once you take the Velcro off of here, you'll put that on the top, the bottom, and each side. Okay, and then the next step after you do that is you're gonna go and we're gonna start putting the window covers on, but we're gonna take off these screws. So we're gonna take off 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 screws on top. Same thing on the bottom. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 2 on the sides. And we'll do one at a time, of course. We're not gonna take them all off. We'll do one at a time, and then we're gonna screw the window covers right on there. So you'll start in that corner and then go to that screw, then this screw, and that screw, etc. So Emily's gonna start putting the Velcro on now, and then we'll see how to install them. All right, now we're over here on the bed window, and Emily already put the Velcro, wrapped it around the window, and then screwed in the cover. So as you can see, there's a total of 5 screws on the top, 5 on the bottom, and 2 on each side. Okay, and that's how you screw them in. And then the next step will be to finish it all off with a nice Velcro strap that goes around the edges. Now we're on the window above the bed. Same thing, pull the flap down, put the Velcro on, close it up, yep, and then just follow that down, pull it around the window frame, pulling, adding tension. And it'll fold back onto itself. And again, this just cleans everything up and eliminates from any peeling. And then just go back and make sure that it's all nice and tight and cleaned up. But you can see it just cleans everything up. So that's how you install the new 3-piece window set for the Storyteller Overland modes.